Are you still falling for these top 5 health myths? Today, we're debunking the biggest health myths that everyone over 50 needs to stop believing. Is eating fat really that bad? Does milk really make bones strong? We've got the truth right here. Stick around because we're breaking these myths down, backed by solid science from reputable sources. Myth #1. You need 8 glasses of water every day. Does everyone really need exactly 8 glasses of water a day? Not quite. John, a 62-year-old who loves gardening, would diligently count his 8 glasses daily. But hydration needs vary. Age, activity level, and even weather play a role. Instead of counting cups, drink when you're thirsty and include hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables. Listen to your body, it knows best. Myth #2. Milk is the best source of calcium. Milk builds strong bones, right? Well, not always. Meet Barbara, who at 58 realized she was lactose intolerant and worried about her bones. She switched to leafy greens, almonds, and fortified plant-based milks. And guess what? Her calcium levels stayed strong. The truth is, there are plenty of non-dairy sources that are just as effective for maintaining bone health. Myth #3. Cardio is the only exercise you need. Only doing cardio to stay fit, that's only half the story. At 65, Mark was a cardio king, but he started feeling weaker and less balanced. That's because strength training is crucial too, especially for those over 50, to maintain muscle mass and bone density. So mix it up. Combine cardio with resistance exercises for a well-rounded fitness routine. Myth #4. Do vitamins replace real food? Think taking a daily multivitamin means you can skip the veggies? Not so fast. When Jane, a 60-year-old busy grandmother, decided to rely on vitamins instead of balanced meals, she noticed she wasn't feeling as energetic. That's because whole foods provide a variety of nutrients that work together in ways supplements can't replicate. Vitamins can help fill gaps, but they can't replace the benefits of real nutrient-rich foods. Myth #5. Low-fat diets are best for heart health. Think all fats are bad for your heart? Think again. When Susan, a 55-year-old avid walker, switched to a low-fat diet, she thought she was doing her heart a favor. But she found herself feeling more tired and less satisfied with her meals. Why? Because healthy fats, like those in nuts, avocados, and olive oil, are essential for heart health and can actually lower bad cholesterol. So don't fear the fat, just choose the right kinds. If you found this myth-busting helpful, don't forget to check out our video on the weight loss diet for seniors, where we explore how to shed pounds safely and effectively as you age. And remember, health isn't about following trends, it's about finding what works best for you.